Good day everyone, I'm going to discuss about the parts of electrical. So this is the panel board, and a panel board is an electrical distribution board that houses circuit breakers, fuses, and wiring used to distribute electricity to different circuits in the building. It's a key component in electrical systems for homes, commercial spaces, and industrial facilities. So the key features of a circuit breaker, it contains fuses, breakers for safety, and distributes electrical power to multiple circuits. Then these are the switches, and this is the main breaker nga para i-off tanan ang tanang linya niya. If i-off, ma-off tanan. So if naray sa kanang i-assign na role lang nga, pwede ra kaning switches if kato sa isa ka room lang ra mo i-off or a certain kanang designated area. So So isa sa part sa electrical is ang lighting layout. So sa lighting layout makita na to mga pin light, ang wall lamp, ang emergency light, isa po may nasa electrical. Ang mga kuan, so kaning sa isa ka napukasuga, isa ka circuit line. So proceed ta sa plumbing guys. Then kani nga PVC, mao ni siya connected sa toilet bowl. Then kakita mo na sa kanang naka 45 degrees nga pipe kanang elbow. So mao na siya kuan gamit para dili ma-stack up ang tae. Then kanang sakto ra yung flow. Then ang sa kilabok one kita mo na kanang kuan hungaw kanang sa kanang PVC. Mo na higit na tawag og ventro para ang kaning sa septic tank kay dili manimaho ang kuan ang tae. Then kabantay mo sa asa gi-place ang septic tank, so duol siya sa kalsada. Accessible siya para kinig siphon sa tae kanang dali ra siya masuyo. Then
so right now, this is a water tank supply. So kaning water tank supply, usa ni siya ka klase sa steel. Ulo man na siya kabuok, steel, concrete, and plastic. So unsa din ang water supply tank? Water supply tanks is a container that stores water for various uses, such as domestic water supply para sa kuan siya, apartments, balay na to, sa communities. Yan nasa industrial water supply. So ang industrial water supply nana siya sa kanakuan, manufacturing, processing, or cooling systems. And then fire protection for firefighting purposes, and irrigation for agricultural or landscaping purposes. So kani siya nga water supply tank, para siya gi-lay sa ubos, usually sa babom gina siya. Unya, paong na siya, paong nagbutang o water pump para ang tubig ani niya silbi ang water pump mo matag og pressure musaka ang tubig sa mabaw. And then kani mo ni siya gitawag og gate valve. So in case na aberya like ayun nun ilbag mo ng tubig ari ra siya mag-pump. So this is a fire hydrant. So uso rin ang fire hydrant. Fire hydrant is a device that provides access to water for firefighting purposes. So typically, install niya ang fire hydrant sa public or sa private spaces as long as accessible na siya and dool na gani siya sa kanang kwan. Easy to access na siya sa firefighters pump. And also, kasagaran gamiton color ani kanang mga bright colors para dali ra siya makita dayon ana. And fire hydrants they play a crucial role in supporting firefighting efforts and helping to protect people and property.
So now guys, let's talk about a light switch. A light switch is a switch, typically a wall-mounted device used to turn a light on or off by controlling the flow of electricity to a light fixture.
It can also refer to a switch on a portable lamp or another electrical appliance. In essence, a light switch is an electrical control that allows users to toggle the power supply, light, or other device. Now guys, let's talk about ceiling fan. A ceiling fan is a fan that mounted to a ceiling that uses rotating blade to circulate air, typically for cooling.
CCTV stands for closed circuit television. It's a system used for surveillance and security that transmits video signals from cameras to specific monitors or recording devices. It can also be applied to home securities, business surveillance, traffic monitoring, industrial safety, and public space monitoring.